shit, don't split!
Oh, there's a four-way.
Alright, we just filmed one, so let's do another one with this beauty right there. We are 881. This is Ophir, Joe, me, and Paul. And this is number 2 of Casting Kev. And I'd just like to point out that just like the other one, Ophir is wearing the same thing as the one that we did last year.
You have very good memory for that. I'm very proud of you.
What's your plan for this winter?
This is all like money allowing. I would like to have the new motor, so the 3-liter, set up for boost, be reliable. Want to have a ZF 5-speed, good clutch, figure out what gear ratio I'm using for the rear end, and get some seat time.
Because basically, so the only video that we got views on it's this car. So basically, what do you do? Who are you? What do you drive?
Well, it's a 1990 300ZX twin turbo with a BMW M52 swapped into it because I don't know. I like pain. It was pretty good for, I mean, like how much full swap cost. Like definitely miles per gallon.
How much are the motors?
Your
I just
driver's
couldn't
club?
sell them. I couldn't sell them. I had them sit in the garage for like 3 or 4 months, and they just wouldn't sell.
You were like, yes,
Was it
and
you?
I picked them both, yeah.
Because I was gonna be the guy to put the KA in my car.
Yeah, yes.
I had the engine in the car, and JC's like, I will kill you if you put that in your car.
We always had a little rivalry between the SR20 and K.
Yeah, I had a fully built KA that was good for like 600 plus, and
It
he
was
like, no.
inside the car.
No.
Yeah, it was inside
Not allowed.
the car. So I used to own the E46 as well, a 330 that never fucking ran. So I got pissed off and I sold it to Josh. I got a spare motor for it from Paul. So he had 2, so I was like, I'll take them both, and I gave one to Josiah, and this is how this fucking monstrosity happened.
It was good.
For like 3 runs. Oh, she's going.
No compression.
Oh.
It has depression.
In all reality, I drove it for probably like a total of like 3 weeks.
3 weeks an engine. That's good
How
ratio.
much compression you had on 3, wasn't it?
0.
There she was, gone.
Ringland number 3 definitely gave it some freedom. May change the turbo setup.
That's 366 right now, right?
It was pretty responsive though.
It was not bad at all.
We had no vanos set up. It was like bare bones, make it work, go sliding before the snow hits.
What's your favorite memory from...
This past summer,
Yeah.
after welding the diff and the taco, getting to like slide with everyone. I don't know. It was like, you know, it's a truck, okay? Like it's never gonna handle as nice as a car, but like
I almost hit you too.
oh, you did hit me. You grazed my
I
bumper.
grazed
I have
you.
your wrap on my front bumper.
You have his wrap on your bumper?
Yeah.
You have his wrap?
I can't even. No. Yeah.
Hey!
I have
boys!
no quarter panels left. None of the hits on me were spinning.
Buddy in front of you spun out.
Yeah, buddy in front of me. There was another G in front of me. Me and JC were trying to tandem, and he wouldn't let us pass. When I went sideways, JC just said, yeah, let's go. The guy in front of us tried drifting, spun out immediately. I had nowhere to go. I was either taking out his front end, or JC was taking out my rear end.
But we had some good runs too. That's the thing. Like,
Yeah,
we
we
were
did.
we were chasing pretty close.
Man, if you would have hit him any harder, you would have turned him into a G35 coupe. That was a great weekend. I would say that's definitely like one of my top weekends this summer.
That was my first time competing too.
You did so good though. Like actually though, like being able to take like you driving and then referring to your spotter and then taking that advice from your spotter and actually applying it, it was awesome.
Like you did so good in the pits too, because like as a driver, you just want to concentrate on driving. You know what I mean? You were fixing literally everything on the car, and I was just like,
JC pulls in the pits, gets out of the car, somebody hands him a water on a silver plate.
I'm like taking my helmet. Just
Real fucking hero, eh? Got 2 people fanning him off.
Yeah. People asking me for autograph. I'm like, no, it's okay.
No.
The first one will come out before the Miata episode, so we can talk about the project a little bit.
But yeah,
I thought I had the dumbest ideas, and then these guys are like, we want to die.
Basically, the project is a V10 Miata. How do you even say that?
It's hilarious though that you're taking a car that looks like a Viper and just putting the Viper drivetrain in it. It's small.
Basically, behind it is to make like a spec D car. It sounds even worse. We can't say it seriously.
Like now that we're actually saying it out loud, it's
Such a stupid idea.
dumb.
Are you gonna like chop it and like lengthen the wheelbase at all?
No.
It need-
The thing is, we cannot touch from strut to strut.
Oh, that's right.
No.
That's gonna be the biggest issue.
Would you want to run that Miata in Pro M though?
Yeah, why not?
I think all of this
This
speculation
hurts my
is
head.
around when you see the engine in the engine bay and go.
The thing is,
no room.
it's not that much bigger than an LS. It is
Actually,
longer,
no.
but it's not longer. It's not longer than a JZ.
It might
Oh,
be the
yeah.
same length
No,
as a
yeah.
JZ.
I-
Because the
the
bores are
green one.
huge.
But all in all,
Those
that's a retarded project.
With that being said, if you want to buy some 881 crew merch,
That was the second
Follow us
casting
for
kit.
more stupid shit, always.
Oh, and by the way, here's Paul dancing.
what?